Hi everyone, Pat here with Advanced RV Centers in Okeechobee, Florida. Fifth wheel time, 2019 Highland Ridge Ultralight Series, model 291 RL. Dual patio awnings, electric. This one is going to need some fabric. As you can see, it's dry and it's cracked. All your slide toppers are in good shape. Let's get started. All the decals are good. It is a little chalky, could use some wax. I'm gonna go around and just point out the good, bad, and the ugly. Here's our slide pass-through storage, We'll get a view of that on the next side. Tires are date code 2024. Zoom in on those nice tires with aluminum wheels. Excellent. Let's move along here. This is for outdoor TV. If you wanted to put a TV out on your patio. Your slide seals, again, your slide toppers are in good shape. You do have a spare tire. Not everybody carries a spare. This one's ready to go with a spare. You got electric power stabilizer jacks down below. So this unit is 50 amp service, and that gives you 2 ACs. In here you're going to have your freshwater connection, and I believe there's a small outdoor shower. The lower skirting on this passenger side slide does have a little damage. And listen, it's going to be priced accordingly with all the, a couple little things that it needs. Again, your slide seals are all in excellent shape. No rips or tears. Here's the other side of your pass-through storage. Bottom of the slide is a little soft in this area, and it's hard the rest of the way. So there's a little bit of water damage there, unfortunately. Let's take a step inside. Wow, it feels good in here. A lot better than that, what, 98 degrees out there today? This thing cools nice. I'm impressed, to be honest. So you got a nice island kitchen here. Across from that, you got your dining area. The Thomas Paine theater seating is peeling. Those will need to be replaced, along with the couch. Unfortunately, again, keep in mind, we're going to price this thing at wholesale. It's going to make somebody a nice coach. TV, fireplace, nice big pantry. Another pantry on this side. Here we have a 3-burner cooktop by Farion, microwave, oven. What's this here? Oh, nice drawer down below that oven. I thought it was a dual oven at first. Let's move up to the center of the coach here. You got your satellite controller. I'm sorry, solar controller that's maintaining your batteries. In here you're going to have your slide out controls and your awning controls, your water pump, water heater, and your lighting. There you have. Here, why don't you shoot that? I'll get out of your way. You got your center bath. I'll meet you up in the bedroom here in a minute. Just get a good shot of this shower for everybody. Okay. I'm gonna get you up there, okay? Got a nice queen size bed. A little noisy. To your left there is your wardrobe. closet. Okay, I get the idea. Nice little dresser there, queen size bed, another TV here, thermostat. You get the idea. That's it in a nutshell. I want to thank you for watching. Again, my name's Pat with Advanced RV Centers, and please feel free to call with any questions, 561-719-9774.